Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about high blood pressure, which affects a lot of people around the world. Don't worry though, today we're going to talk about some tasty and healthy foods that can help you lower your blood pressure naturally. Before we explore the foods that can help lower blood pressure, it's crucial to understand what blood pressure is and why maintaining a healthy level is so important for our overall well-being. The force that circulating blood applies to the walls of the arteries is known as blood pressure. It's typically measured in millimeters of mercury, mmHg, and is represented by two numbers, the systolic pressure and the diastolic pressure. The systolic pressure measures the force when the heart beats, while the diastolic pressure measures the force when the heart is at rest between beats. The blood pressure should be around 120/80 mmHg. Hypertension, which is short for high blood pressure, can happen when blood pressure stays above this range for a long time. High blood pressure can put stress on the heart, hurt the arteries, and raise the chance of serious illnesses like heart disease and stroke. Let's talk about why it's important to keep our blood pressure in check. When blood pressure is high, the heart has to work harder than normal. This can make the heart muscle thicken and make it less effective at pumping blood. Atherosclerosis is a disease in which vessels get narrow and hard because of the buildup of plaque. This stress on the heart and arteries can make the disease worse over time. Atherosclerosis can make it harder for blood to get to important organs and tissues, which raises the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other heart problems. High blood pressure can also hurt the kidney's fragile blood vessels, which can lead to kidney disease. Understanding these potential consequences emphasizes the importance of managing our blood pressure. While doctors' prescriptions for medications to treat hypertension are common, maintaining healthy blood pressure levels depends largely on lifestyle choices, including diet. Now that we've covered the basics of blood pressure, let's move on to the exciting part, exploring the foods that can naturally contribute to a lower blood pressure. Let's jump into our first category of blood pressure-friendly foods, leafy greens. These vibrant vegetables aren't just pleasing to the eye. They pack a powerful punch when it comes to supporting heart health, thanks to their high potassium content. Potassium is found in large amounts in leafy veggies like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and others. Potassium is an important mineral that helps keep the body's sodium levels in check. Sodium, which is found in salt, can make your blood pressure go up by making your body hold on to water and increasing the amount of blood in your vessels. Getting enough potassium in your diet can help balance out the effects of salt. It helps the body get rid of extra sodium through pee, which lowers blood pressure and relaxes the walls of blood vessels. The daily suggested amount of potassium for adults is between 2,500 and 3,000 milligrams. Leafy greens are a great way to get this much potassium. But healthy greens are good for you in more ways than just potassium. In addition, they are full of important nutrients like magnesium and calcium, which also help keep your heart healthy. Together, these nutrients help muscles work right, including the muscles in our hearts and blood vessels. Getting fresh greens into your diet doesn't have to be hard. They're great in salads, soups, or as a side dish cooked in butter. Because these greens can be cooked in a lot of different ways, it's easy to find a way that you like. Whether you're a fan of a classic spinach salad or prefer a kale and fruit smoothie, there are countless delicious ways to enjoy the heart-healthy benefits of leafy greens. Remember, a varied and colorful diet not only contributes to better health, but also makes meals more enjoyable. Now we'll talk about berries, which are a group of tasty and colorful treats. Berries like raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries are not only tasty and sweet, but they are also full of vitamins that are good for your heart. Antioxidants are compounds that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals can contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which play a role in the development of high blood pressure and other cardiovascular issues. Berries, with their vibrant colors, are rich in these powerful antioxidants. One specific group of antioxidants found in berries is flavonoids. Flavonoids have been studied for their potential to improve blood vessel function and reduce blood pressure. They work by promoting the production of nitric oxide, a compound that helps relax blood vessels, improve blood flow, and lower blood pressure. When you eat a number of berries, you get a wide range of antioxidants, each with its own health benefits. Anthocyanins are a type of antioxidant that has been linked to better blood pressure control. Blueberries have a lot of them. The best part is that incorporating berries into your meals is both easy and delicious. You can eat them as a snack, mix them into salads, add them to yogurt in the morning, or blend them into smoothies. Berries are a great food to add to any diet because they can be used in many ways. They can help lower blood pressure or just make you healthier overall. As we continue our exploration of foods that support a healthier heart, keep in mind that lifestyle factors such as regular exercise and stress management also play a crucial role in blood pressure maintenance. So, why not make your journey towards better health a little sweeter with the addition of these antioxidant-rich berries? A word of caution. Before making significant changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition insights. We've arrived at a category that's not only delicious, but also swimming with health benefits: fatty fish. Fish such as salmon, mackerel, and trout are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, and these healthy fats can play a key role in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat that is known to be good for your heart. Elisapentanoic acid, EPA, docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, are the three main kinds. EPA and DHA are the forms of omega-3s that the body can use most easily. Fatty fish, especially those already listed, have a lot of them. There are many ways that omega-3 fatty acids are good for your heart. First and foremost, they have been shown to lower inflammation all over the body, even in the vessels. Adding omega-3s to your diet can help lower your chance of getting high blood pressure because they reduce chronic inflammation. But that's not all. Omega-3s also contribute to the relaxation of blood vessels, helping to improve blood flow and reduce the workload on the heart. Additionally, these fatty acids have been associated with lower levels of triglycerides, a type of fat in the blood that, when elevated, can contribute to cardiovascular issues. Including fatty fish in your diet a couple of times a week is a flavorful and effective way to ensure an adequate intake of omega-3s. Grilling, baking, or even pan-searing these fish can result in delicious and heart-healthy meals. For those who may not be fans of fish, or for additional omega-3 intake, consider incorporating plant-based sources like chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts into your diet. While these contain ALA, a less potent form of omega-3, they still offer heart protective benefits. Let's not forget about the humble banana. Bananas are not only a convenient and portable snack, but they are also rich in potassium. A mineral is crucial for maintaining a healthy balance in our bodies. Potassium is a key nutrient that helps balance blood pressure and does many other important things in the body. Bananas are famous for having a lot of potassium in them. In fact, a medium-sized banana has about 400 mg of potassium, which makes it an easy and handy way to get this mineral that is good for your heart. How does potassium help keep blood pressure in check? Well, potassium and sodium work together to keep the flow of fluids into and out of cells in balance. Potassium lowers blood pressure by letting water stay in the body, while salt raises it. It helps the body get rid of extra salt through urine, which keeps blood pressure from building up in the vessels. Potassium helps keep blood pressure in a safe range, and it also helps muscles and nerves work properly. This includes the heart muscles, which makes it an important nutrient for heart health. Incorporating bananas into your diet is not only easy, but also versatile. You can enjoy them on their own, add them to your morning cereal, blend them into smoothies, or even use them in baking for a natural sweetness without the need for added sugars. We now turn our attention to a kitchen staple that's not just for adding flavor to your dishes: garlic. Garlic has been celebrated for centuries, not only for its culinary uses, but also for its potential health benefits, especially in the realm of heart health. Garlic contains a compound known as allicin, which is responsible for many of its health-promoting properties. Allicin is released when garlic is crushed or chopped, and it's this compound that is believed to have a positive impact on cardiovascular health. One important way that garlic may be good for your heart is that it may help lower blood pressure. Allicin has vasodilatory benefits, which means it helps blood vessels relax and widen, which makes the flow of blood better. It is possible for this loosening of blood vessels to help lower blood pressure. Garlic can also reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. High blood pressure is one of the heart problems that is linked to chronic inflammation. Adding garlic to your diet may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which is good for your heart health in general. Including garlic in your meals doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you're roasting it, sautéing it, or even enjoying it raw in salad dressings, the possibilities are endless. Just remember that to maximize the potential health benefits, it's recommended to consume garlic in its raw or lightly cooked form, as excessive heat can reduce the levels of allicin. As with any dietary change, it's essential to consider individual preferences and dietary restrictions. If you're on medication or have specific health concerns, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. And there you have it, a variety of foods that can contribute to lower blood pressure levels. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, reducing salt intake, and managing stress, are also crucial factors in managing blood pressure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.